This one supposedly could run the 85 stock with not changing anything.
Ah, what a drive, what a drive. Kind of miss cruising with other cool cars, to be honest.
How much do you think it is?
It's been a minute. How much, what, gas?
I thought I needed gas when you left Fremont. That's why I was driving slower.
Yeah. I did notice that.
I was driving.
Jeez, 579, bro. That's
small, bro.
That is small, actually. That is small. Dang, that is pretty small.
Oh, there, bro.
Comparing it.
You see me on the floor?
What?
It flew away over there.
Drop this phone. How much you think it's gonna be? It's on E, right?
Yeah, basically on E.
How much you think?
I don't even know how much gallons, but...
Well, this is the big car. This is SUV.
It's at least 18.
Yeah, I think it's 20. So it's gonna be about 90 bucks to fill it up. I'm betting it.
Why is gas so expensive?
That's a very good question, sir.
All right, well, actually say what you're gonna see. You can't go wrong.
First things first. They never seen me with my hair like this.
Oh,
it's been 4 years.
damn!
It's been 4 years.
This guy hasn't showed you guys his hair. Okay, look, a little reveal.
Yeah, no, it's First of all, you can't go wrong with springs. I don't.
Did you make sure the EDC was on all the time? Because if you put it in M mode, it turns it off.
It said power.
No, that's another thing.
Okay, then what? That adjusts the dampening, right?
EDC?
Yeah. Because I noticed but the thing is, because remember when you adjusted everything?
Yeah.
I turned the car off.
Yeah. So
right. I forgot. I didn't think that everything would go off. But yeah. So.
Yeah. So that means you're riding pretty bouncy.
Yeah, but it wasn't bad. Like you said, you can't go wrong with springs.
Right now it's perfect hard because you really don't got to worry about too much on the road.
That's another thing I was gonna say. Yeah, it's perfect. Like you don't have to worry about like rubbing or like obviously be cautious of the lid.
Yeah, that's all. And now, to be honest, guys, the rear fitment's like it's not bad at all. I would leave it there. It's the front, but the lower you go with the front,
honestly, I think the height is perfect. I just think the wheels can come out a little bit more.
Yeah, it's just bigger spacers, but it's because these were temp wheels. I bought them as temp wheels as.
Yeah, I think honestly, I think the height is perfect because the thing is, once you bring those wheels out, that's when height becomes a factor.
Yeah, because then you could actually see the gap.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, the lip is perfect. Like to give you guys an idea, like my foot. See how much my foot.
All right, so we're going lower.
Yeah, once you go lower.
Because we gotta close that gap.
Bye lip.
Now, the main question, does it make you want one more?
Yeah.
Look at that detail, guys. Hold on.
You know what would be
Look
cool,
at that detail.
Yeah, you can probably see it better right here.
Okay. Look at that detail right there, yo. I can't see you through the windshield at all, just your bright phone.
Really? Oh, yeah.
Your bright phone case.
Yeah.
Oh, almost $100, guys.
I told 17.
I told you it's 18 then. 18.
There's just gas is astronomically high for the reason this one.
And that was with, I had to get my little 10 cents off.
Wait, hold on. You forgot. You have another car that has the same...
How much gas does this need? It is about under half a tank. That will go quick.
I like how they made this, or they left it in exposed carbon.
Yeah.
Because you can see it from the front.
Yeah. No.
Like all you see is like the vents and then the carbon. It's sick. So if you guys don't know that this hood's actually full carbon fiber. But obviously they paint matched it.
Yeah, let's pop it for them. Don't mind the wheels in the back, but let's take a moment to appreciate these seats.
As soon as I find the thing.
This guy.
Oh, it is light. You're right.
Yeah, it's super light.
So this thing is full carbon fiber, guys. Obviously,
I don't know if you guys can see that.
It's dry under here because it's no reason for them to make it gloss.
But it's full carbon.
It's pretty sick.
And we already got an intake coming.
Coming? You already have it. You're gonna put it
It's in the trunk.
Yeah.
We'll show you a little sneak peek of the wheels. Oh yeah. They look clean.
Honestly, they look better in person.
They did, huh? That concave goes even
better.
crazier
They
in
look
person.
better in person because when I saw them, I'm like, damn, bro, these, I definitely buy them. Having a time of his life. shoot, an R8. What is the R8 doing in town? That's crazy.
That just sounds too good, bro.
You like my whip, man? Wait for it, wait for it. Oh my gosh. So good. So we have the wheels at home. So we're actually gonna put, he said he's gonna sniff at my sock. I'm trying to convince him to put all of them on because we have to install the coils, right? But I just want to see what they look like. Because the thing is, these are two, well, of course they're staggered, but for example, the rears are two 95, 35, 19s. And then these are, these are two, what is it, 65?
75, 245.
275, 35, 19. So if I said that right, so 295, 30, 19, and these are 275, 35, 19. So to get like the full experience, like the full, like see what it's gonna look like, I feel like you gotta put all of them on because that 0.5 difference could make a difference when looking at a car, you know, trying to figure out like, you know, how low you want it and stuff like that. Because the whole point of putting it on is to see like how low he wants to go because those are technically gonna be wider. So trying to convince him to put all of them on. So the only downfall that's not really a downfall is the TPMS sensors that are in these tires are from an F80.
It's not only not a downfall because there's already no TPMS sensors.
Yeah, so
but you see, look,
they're clean though, man.
black valve
And
metal.
Yeah, I was gonna say, and they're metal. They're not like plastic because we have metal on the Z, and you guys know, like, you know, if you get like, what is it, the rubber ones or
they start leaking sometimes.
Yeah, they start leaking because they crack and stuff. I think we've all been there. It's kind of annoying. I had that problem on the ST till I got metal ones. But yeah, man, I really like these because like I was telling Chris, these remind me of the V1 Nismo wheels that we have on our Z. So I think that's why I really like these. But they look way better in person because he sent me these last night before he picked them up today. I was like, yeah, they're clean. Don't get me wrong. I'm like, yeah, buy them. But like in person, they're way better, bro. Way better. So it's pretty cool. The guy he picked them up from was cool. Yeah, and he got it for a steal. That's crazy. So.
And with tires.
And guys, check it out. Like these tires. These tires are like brand new, bro. Brand new. Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Yeah. So definitely a come up. And here was the other come up of the weekend. Brand new coils. Brand new coils. I guess somebody ordered them. They pick it up from the shop, so the shop sold it to him for literally half off. I think, right? It was half off, right? Yeah. Upgraded springs. I think springs are here, or
yeah, that's the rear.
Okay.
That's the rear. Remember, because the rear's like the Z.
Yeah. Oh, they're like a, what do they call it? Diverse or not diverse?
Separate, whatever.
Divorce setup.
That's a camber plate.
Camber plates. What was it like BC colorway?
Well, it looks better because of the Swift. Because usually they're black.
Yeah.
The springs are usually black.
Yeah. Looks clean. Looks clean. I think this is a BMW thing. So whenever you order coils, they always give you like the end links. Because I guess they're
well, they even ordered the extenders.
They're shorter or longer or whatever.
To adjust the rear.
Oh, bro, that's sick.
So you don't have to take it off.
Yeah. Dang.
So these by themselves are like $50.
You kind of came up, man.
Kind of? Come on, bro.
Come
you know, when I see it come up, then I act on it right away. When I know nothing's coming, then I start second guessing.
Yeah, this is a come up for sure. Yeah, because the same thing came from my dad's car. So obviously, Mini, BMW, same thing. But yeah, no, that's dope. So coils and new wheels. You took them off before, so they should come off this time.
Nah, I think they're fine.
Oh, they're fine? Okay. Technically, guys, you're not supposed to use a torque wrench to take off your lug nuts,
but we don't gotta break it apart.
As long as I know this because I used a torque wrench before to take off heavy torque stuff, and yeah, I literally broke it. So, you know. Look
at this, bro.
This is fine, but for future reference.
I'm not gonna even be able to jack my car up.
Why?
Look how close that is already.
What do you mean? How'd you do it before?
No, I'm talking about when I put the coils on.
Oh, yeah. That too, and the fact that it's gonna be even lower because the side profile is gonna be lower on these new wheels. you're gonna have to use bricks or.
That's annoying. Look how close it is to the splitter. The splitter actually has a spot for it.
Oh shoot, that's it then.
Yeah, but this was so last minute.
Wait, so you're saying the fitment's not gonna be right? What's gonna be wrong?
I need a 5mm spacer.
From the rear?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Wait, so what spacer's on the rear right now?
12.
12. Oh, so you're saying it's gonna be too much. That's why. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see.
Try it without.
Are you sure you're gonna need a spacer for the rear, or are you just like speculating?
That's what he said. He needed to have a good fitment.
Oh, okay. I forgot because it came off of the E92.
Look at these tires, bruh.
They're still new though.
Yeah, the spacer came with it.
They're still good.
Oh, that's not good. Looks like someone's getting a spacer.
So for those of you who don't know, this is what a divorce setup looks like when doing suspension in the rear for most cars, not all cars. You have the strut right here, and then you have the spring right here.
Links are for the front, though.
You said what? Yeah, the end links are for the front. Yeah. But yeah, generally the rears are always easier than the fronts because with the divorce setup, there's like 2 bolts up top and then 1 back here that comes off, and then like you just loosen like that bolt right there that connects to the nut. That drops and then the spring comes out. So it's normally easier than the front.
I think it's time anyways.
What?
Look at this bushing.
Oh yeah, it's freaking rich. Okay, I see you doing preventative maintenance. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the new wheel in the rear first. So what it is we have a 12mm spacer back here because he's saying that it's gonna need it. This is a chunky little tire. It's a 295. It looks like a 305 to be honest. We're assuming that the Michelin runs a little bit big. Oh, you're trying to see if it's the right direction?
Yeah, because I
always forget about that.
I don't look like it.
I don't think if it doesn't say it, I don't think it has it, right? Or is it on the outside?
No.
Or inside?
It would be on the outside.
Is it on the outside?
It don't say it, so.
Yeah. I always forget about that when I put on wheels though. I always wait till I put them on. I'm like, oh shoot, it's the wrong wheel for the wrong side.
Not even your tires the right way.
Yeah.
Thank God I got my work pants.
See what you're looking like.
These are light, bro.
Compared to the other ones, huh?
Yeah.
Honestly, I think that spacer would be good. Yeah, because I'm looking
telling you, bro.
Yeah.
We know.
Yeah, I think you should be good. Yeah, that looks good. So the thing with black wheels, as you guys know, the infamous problem with black wheels is it looks good like right now because the sun's shining, you know, everything's just hitting. But as soon as you want to take pictures for the gram, boom, look like your car floating with like black holes, you know. So that's the only thing. But black wheels do look good. Like, no disrespect from that aspect, but it just sucks when you're trying to take pictures. It just doesn't do it. But these look really good on the car. Like, I don't know if you guys can actually see the detail, but it looks really good. Looks really good. So there's a 12mm spacer on it. We're thinking that he's probably going to need to go bigger.
So basically we're just creating our own specs.
Yeah.
So that's I told them it's always better to start like where you could push out instead of it's already too much poking.
Yeah, nothing you can do about that, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Unless you know the exact specs that the car needs, you know?
I do, but then that's when you buy brand new and...
Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah. You either get them custom made or you buy them brand new, but in this case, like I said, it's all good.
Where's the wire brush?
Looks good. Right here.
Oh.
Okay, so we're trying this one without the spacer, and yeah.
Nah, doesn't need it?
I don't think you need the spacer, yeah. That's pretty... Put it this way. As of right now, it looks like you don't need the spacer, but if you did need the spacer, that one would be too big.
Yeah.
That's how it's looking. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell from up top. So before we lower it down and you guys see the fitment, do you think that these wheels look better?
Without seeing the fitment.
Or do you think that these wheels look better?
Are you an Apex type of guy? Because you know, BMW and Apex, people love them.
I feel like, I mean, the natural thing to be like, oh, these wheels because they're brighter, but it's, again, it's one of those things that you got to see in person, because through like camera and stuff like that, we understand that you can't see the details. But at the same time, some people don't care about that. You know, they just like the contrast of the wheel, you know? So you like the Apex or the BC4's wheel? I'm saying I like these better. I mean, I just like the design of these. They're concave, and
ready?
I think because of the color of the car. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, that looks perfect.
You think it looks perfect? All right, let's see. Remember, it's gonna camber.
Yeah, so I could probably throw the 15s to the back. Remember, those are 12.
Those 12. Okay, you're right. Okay, let's see.
So at least we got something to mess with.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
He's doing the slow drop. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Ooh, yo, that would have been bad. I caught that on camera too.
That moment, he knew. Bro, this looks so much better than.
Look, it's doing exactly what I said it was gonna do.
What?
It's doing this. You could see the car leaning to the left, and that's because again the side profile is lower on this side than it is on that side.
Bro, just that rear is just. I could probably throw the 15s on there.
On the rear, probably, but I would say lower it first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the rear does look good.
That, bruh.
The rear does look good.
I think I just recall it up.
Yeah. Let me see the fronts. You think
Oh, those are 15s.
those are 15s?
Remember, once you lower it, it'll look better.
Okay, yeah.
Because you know this wheel turns.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
I mess with the Z little.
Yeah.
I'd rather be.
Safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like these wheels better. Yeah. Those look good. Oh snap! Let's see, I almost ate it again.
I thought you were gonna break it, bro. That would have been bad.
It looks good though. I like it.
Once we put those colors on, it's gonna look spicy.
Yeah.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.